Starting a business can be overwhelming, and trying to do it alone often leads to burnout. And that's why I created this community. It's a shared passion where we're all trying to build a business to give us the time and financial freedom, not only for ourselves, but for our family. When I first started my business, I was overwhelmed with questions. What is a CRM? How do I create social media content? How do I use AI in my business? How do I even organize my day so I'm effectively moving the needle closer towards my goals? And that's why I created this community. This community isn't about taking courses. It's about building lasting connections with people around the world that share the same passion that you have. We're all entrepreneurs at heart. We think differently, we see the world differently, and we want to make the world better. So I want to invite you not only to my community, but to my family. I share the same passion and drive as you do. I've also gone through the same struggles. So if I could offer my wisdom to help you achieve your goals, that's what this community is about. Getting all sentimental. This is a lot. I only ask one thing from you, to share and support each other as we go through this journey together to build the business of our dreams. And lastly, thank you for being a part of my journey. I look forward to seeing you in the community.